everyone, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. And right now, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to make a swimsuit for dolls. So we will be needing a piece of scissor and a piece of cloth. Okay, so grab your materials and let's start. And remind you, this is no sew, so it will easy at all. Okay, and we are done. Don't worry, guys. It's just so easy to wear. It's easy to put it in the dolls because you're just going to tie it up right here on her waist and sew with the back. Okay, guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. It's nice to be back. And of course, just wait for more videos. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, bye for now.